Hello students, welcome back to the channel. So today topic is why do plant need leucoplast if vacuole can store food? Now, if you have seen the NCERT in the Cell, the Unit of Life chapter carefully, if you have read it, it says plant vacuoles store food. And at the same time, NCERT also says that leucoplasts are food storage plastids. So logic question comes, if vacuole can already store food, then why do they need leucoplasts? Is one statement wrong or both are correct? What is the reason? So now see here, both organelles they will store food, but they will store different type of food and they will perform different purposes. Now let us come for the vacuole. Vacuole is having the cell sap. Means if you see in the vacuole, sap is present and sap contain water, it contain mineral ions, it contain pigment like anthocyanin. This pigment is present. It contains some solute like your sugar, simple sugar, amino acids, some soluble proteins. It contains waste also. Okay, so vacuole contain all the things. And when we were saying the solute like simple sugar, amino acids, protein, it means they are soluble. They are soluble in water. They are soluble in water to make the cell safe. Now, vacuole work is not only for the storage, its work is to maintain the turgor pressure. If you see here, vacuole work is to maintain the turgor pressure. It is trying to maintain the osmotic balance also. Is it clear? So vacuole is not only storage, it is trying to give the strength to the plant. Because of the turgidity, the strength come, the rigidity come. It is also trying to maintain the osmotic balance. Now come to the leucoplast. We know leucoplasts, they are colorless plastid. They are responsible for storage of the food. Three types of plastids are there. Three types of leucoplast. One is amyloplast, which will store the starch. Elaioplast, which store oil. Then is aleuroplast, which store protein. So three types of plastid to store these macromolecule. So they are storing the reserve food material. And these reserve food material, if you see all these reserve food materials, they are insoluble. So here only the difference come. Ki vacuole is storing the soluble solute, and they are storing the insoluble solute. Is it clear? Now, why leucoplast is needed? Just imagine if all these things they are not converted into polymer and we store all the food in the vacuole, then isn't it inside the vacuole osmotic pressure will increase? And when the osmotic pressure inside will increase, then water will enter more. Because of entry of water more to more turgor pressure will be created, isn't it? And it will be difficult for the cell to maintain that balance. Chances are it can rupture also. So they have developed another strategy to store large amount of nutrient in insoluble form. They have first converted into macromolecule and they are storing it into the leucoplast, which is making it insoluble. Means these nutrients will be now not creating osmotic problem. They will not create osmotic problem. Is it clear? So plant can store large amount of nutrient without disturbing the osmotic balance. You will see generally the leucoplast where you study, you will find such types of tissues in the storage like your potato tuber, sweet potato root, in the seed, in the endosperm and in cotyledon. So for easy understanding, you can take one analogy if you want. You can think of the kitchen. You keep drinking water in a bottle, but rice, wheat, flour, pulses you store in container. Why don't you store them in the water bottle only? No, because you have to store this in the dry area. These rice, pulses, and all these things you are storing in the dry container, not in the water, because you know it will spoil your food. So you can just imagine the drink water bottle which is having the water. It is like a vacuole, and the container where your food is stored, it is like your leucoplast. They are doing storage, but they are doing some different purpose is different. Is it clear? So I hope so. This concept might be now easy for you, and please understand it very properly. It is very important concept for NEET. Please follow the channel and subscribe it so that I can make more interesting and concept oriented videos for your concept clarification. Thanks for watching.